Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and Valentine's Day is over. Unbelievable. And St. Patrick's Day is closing in fast. I have my calendar boy, Fritz the Frog, here with Blitz the Frog. And Blitz, you can see where he's been with his red eyes and his dilated pupils. Both of these patterns are free online, both my 3D frog and my beanbag frog. Let me tell you what these beans are inside of here. This is a beanbag frog. You can find this pattern. Just Google free frog patterns and you'll get a bunch. We used to stuff these with beans. We own property up to a lot of farmers around us, and they planted soybeans out there. And when the truck goes down the aisle and turns, there's always spillage. When it's corn, it's gone quick because all the wild animals, all the wild animals eat the corn, from mice to deer. But soybeans, no wild animal wants them, which is also why it makes it good to stuff your frogs or toys or any kind of beanbag with, because you won't have vermin or bug problems with that. I did clean these. Darren gleaned them. He took a 5-gallon bucket down, scooped them in the 5-gallon bucket, and then I took a slotted spoon that you cook with, and I shifted and shifted and shifted and shifted. But I am real proud of Fritz and Blitz, and they are ready to go out on the town and celebrate St. Patrick's Day. I wanted to tell you a little bit more about Fritz the Frog. This is Fritz without his clothing, and I absolutely love my 3D ball jointed frog. He can do so many poses. It's incredible. I mean, you can set him up, and each finger works independently. We strung this. We used small cord here and elastic cord thicker on the inside. Look at this. His eyes are independent. They are strung together, but they are independent. So you can put his eyes, he can roll his eyes like my sons do when I talk to him. He is found on Thingiverse. He has a model, which is a pattern for a 3D printer. And I got the idea of making Fritz as Prince and doing Princess and the Frog. And I did that with Beth Ramsden, J Dolls UK, and Tammy at Peacecraft Dolls. And the idea was we were going to have these and then do a Blythe Princess and the Frog outfit. And I had asked Beth if she would mind making a frog. Beth also has 3D printers, her husband, and making a frog for Jay because they're both in the UK, and we were going to make one for Tammy. Tammy opted for a what would you call that? Just a little frog statue, regular frog like you would see. She didn't want to string it and put it together and all that. So hers was a little different. Beth and Craig, her husband, made different hands, and they did theirs in the size of the model on Thingiverse. I asked Darren to make this a little bigger so he would stand taller.
Bigger. It's 50% bigger.
Is it 50% bigger? Oh, okay. Bigger than Blythe is what I wanted because, the prince. And I am so proud of him. He took how long to print?
At least 50 hours.
Yeah.
I don't have exact numbers, but
yeah, it took quite a while.
A long time.
I would like another one in the regular size, and we're going to have something coming up on that's really going to be fun. When I first made him, I did not know about the sueding, and sueding is where you take a glue gun and you just give it a little friction so that he stands better. Although he stood pretty good with the 3D lines, and I love the texture of the 3D. I used a 18-inch doll pattern for these pants. I did make it a little wider because frog feet. And I took it in a little bit at the waist. I used a large snap for his pants. And then I have this vest pattern that I've been using. It is also an 18-inch doll vest pattern that I've been making reversible. So today he will wear it for St. Patrick's Day, and then in May he will wear it for May 4th. And I won't have to make him another outfit. Again, I made the armholes bigger because frog hands. And I just use Velcro because he doesn't have hair yet. And it's just fast and easy. And there he is. Now let's see about a hat. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.